Welcome to today's class. Our topic for today is àṣà ìgbéyàwó. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí òní. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ wa tòní ni àṣà ìgbéyàwó. We'll be looking at how wedding takes place and the steps to follow. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, bí ọmọkùnrin tàbí ọmọbìnrin bá ti bàlágà, ohun tó kàn ní láti ní ìyàwó, nítorí kí a lè ní àrọ̀ láyé la ṣe ń gbéra wa ní ìyàwó tàbí ọkọ. For procreation and companionship, that is why it is necessary for a matured boy or girl who has a job and is responsible enough. It is necessary for them to get married. So let's look at the steps one after the other. The first one is Ifojusode. Ifojusode is when the boy starts searching and scouting for the proper girl to marry. Once he sees, the next thing is Iwadi, that's making findings to know the family the girl is from, the kind of sickness and ailments they have. They can even go as far as going to an herbalist place to check. After that, they introduce Alarino. Alarino is the middleman or the intermediary that will now be the spokesperson for the groom's family to the girl's family. Once the groom's family is aware, they invite the girl, and if the girl agrees, it is called Ijohen Tabi Ishihun. Once the girl agrees, the next thing is Itoro. This is when they come to ask for a hand officially in marriage. After that, Babagbo Iyagbo. That is when the bride's family is aware. After which they do the Idano. This is where they bring the bridal items to the bridal parents. After then is Ikpalemo. This is the wedding preparations where the wife or the bride goes from house to house to greet people, and they give her a lot of gifts and they pray for her. Then Ojo Igbeyawo. Ojo Igbeyawo is the wedding day, and in the evening the girl packs her things to her husband's house alongside with her friends and siblings. When she gets there, they will do the Ese Iyawo Wiwe. This is when they wash the legs of the wife, so that they believe that Owero Lumabawole, that is, she's coming with good tidings. After which they go to the next stage. The wife is not supposed to meet the husband at home. They will be whining and dining in front of the groom's house when the girl will go in to wait for the man. And this is where Pataki Bale comes in. Importance of virginity, because the girl is meant to be a virgin till she gets married. And if once the bride comes, she goes in and stay inside on the bed where a white piece of material or bedspread is on the bed. When the husband comes in, the husband will now have the carnal knowledge of the bride for the first time. Then when the hymen is broken, the husband brings out the stained white cloth and show the people in front of the house. And if it is stained, all of them will shout with joy and happiness to show that yes, the girl is really, really trained. The groom's family will in turn show appreciation by sending jerrycans of palm wine, palm oil, tubers of yam, and a lot of gifts to the bride's family to show that yes, if otherwise, half bottle of palm oil, half bottle of palm wine, 3 sticks of matches, half or quarter tuber of yam will be sent to the parents, which is really, really disgraceful and shameful. So let's look at Igbeyawo Ode Oni. So Igbeyawo Ode Oni, the modern day wedding. We have 3 types, as you can see in the pictures there. So the first one is Ìgbéyàwó Kóòtù. This is a court wedding or court registry, whereby the bride and the groom would have registered for this. There is room for divorce, but there is no room for a second wife. They have to sign the certificates to show that they are really married, just as you can see in the picture. The next one is Ìgbéyàwó Ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tàbí Alárédè. It's a priest or a pastor that will join them, and this marriage is till death do them part. There is no room for second wife, and there is no room for divorce. It is till death do them part. This type of wedding is very interesting and honorable, as you can see in the pictures on your screen. Then the next one is Ìgbéyàwó Mùsùlùmí tàbí Igi Síso. It's usually called the Nikah. This is done in a mosque, hall, or even the bride's house. Yes, the man has the opportunity to marry more than one wife. Can marry up to 4 wives, provided he can treat them equally. It's also honorable. In fact, these days they wear a lot of wedding gowns, as you can see in the picture. We'll continue in our next class. Let's look at the Ìgbélé one, the evaluation for today's class. Kini ìgbéyàwó? What is wedding? So, mẹ́ta lára àwọn ohun ìdáná. Mention 3 items among the bridal list. So, mẹ́rin nínú ìlànà ètò ìgbéyàwó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mention 4 steps when the man wants to do a wedding. Kí ni ohun tí ẹbí ọkọ yóò fi ránṣẹ́ sí ilé ìyàwó lẹ́yìn ìbálé? After the virginity test, what will the groom's family send to the bride's family? The fifth one is tani yóò máa lọ máa bọ̀ láàrin ọkọ àti ìyàwó kí wọ́n tó fẹ́ra wọn? Who will be going and be coming? That will be the spokesperson between the bride's family and the groom's family before the final wedding rites.